The Provincial Education Director and her team in Masvingo faced eviction from Wigley House after the government failed to pay $5 million in rent arrears owed to the Mining Industry Pension Fund (MIPF) unpaid since 2009. Sanapenda mashoko ashamisa vanhu onekwa kunzi panguva ino the education director oshamisa vanhu panguva ino yachiona kuti vanoaccrua $5 million in rent arrears. Subscribe or like on the bed. This is despite the Ministry of Education receiving the largest budget allocation in 2025, $1.7 billion according to Treasury. An eviction order granted in 2022 by Justice David Mangota is yet to be enforced. A last-minute payment plan negotiated in 2023 is not being implemented. MIPF spokesperson Moses Chirezere confirmed that negotiations are ongoing. According to the Masvingo Mirror, the ministry is now so underfunded that its daily operations rely almost entirely on the Better Schools program Zimbabwe BSPZ. Originally meant to support teaching and learning, BSPZ funded by a $2 per child levy now covers office space, vehicles, fuel, and utility bills for district offices. It also funds all workshops and allowances for education officials. Sources claim the ministry stopped reimbursing allowances years ago, and the BSPZ has effectively taken over administrative duties, raising concerns of misuse. Former Finance Minister Tendai Biti criticized the management of education funding, saying the Ministry of Education receives billions of dollars annually, yet little reaches where it is needed most. Mashoka anomuda panguva ino arikonekwa kunzi the education ministry panguva ino yashoka vanhu uchionekwa kunzi vanoita mamillions nemamillions erent accrued, but tikatarisa maallocations anoitika each and every year. Last year kakari pa 1.7 billion, but panguva ino kuonekwa kunzi mari dzese idzi hadzimboshandiswi zvadzanga dzabhajeterwa. Chitiko chashamisa vanhu zvinoonekwa kunzi Zimbabwe is a crime scene. Panguva ino zviganana ngazvienda pasi, ngazvirova pasi, ngazviende. Not about subscribe or like out on the bell icon.